Hey guys, welcome back to another new exciting video, another new open source model, which is the ThinkingCap Qwen 3.6 27 billion. Yes, the base model is same as the Qwen 3.6 27 billion, but they have modified the thinking capability. And after modifying this thinking capability, here you see they have got same accuracy as the base model. And on the right hand side, here you see the last column, this reduction, and this is the number of token reduction on all of these benchmarks. And here you see this is the base model Qwen 3.6 27 billion, and this is ours, means this new model thinking cap Qwen 3.6 27 billion. So that is why they are saying that after reducing this thinking token also they are getting the same accuracy. Then why use so many thinking token, right? And their concept is that when we are getting the answer, then also this model think from a lot of perspective ways. But thinking cap is saying that when we have got almost the answer, then why so much thinking more? So this is why they have reduced the thinking token. And you know that if a model have lot of more thinking token, then the cost will also will be higher. Means you need a lot of more powerful GPUs, and also the inference cost will be more. So if you can reduce the thinking token, then cost also will be reduced and the time also will get reduced. Now this is their blog post that they have posted, and also in detail they have explained, and also the comparison that they have tested. On the left hand side their model, on the right hand side the base model, and here you see we have got the answer, and with this token 2384 token. And on the right hand side, this is the base model, we have this 3000 token, and also it took 10-second more. And also you see that all of them have given the same answer. So again I'm showing you that part. Here you see this is the recommendation from the base model, and this is the recommendation from the modified thinking cap model. Both are giving the same output. Here you see don't pursue this, and here you see don't pursue this. Okay, so that means after modifying this overthinking capability also we can maintain the accuracy. And here you see what they have written: capability of Qwen 3.6 27 billion with 50% less thinking tokens on average and over 90% less in best cases, achieved via fine tuning of this Qwen 3.6 27 billion with state-of-the-art algorithms on a curated set of problems of various domains and difficulty. We designed the fine tuning to be as minimally invasive as possible and preserving all of the original answer quality and style of Qwen. So while being more token efficient, means they have not modified any of the Qwen style or original answer quality. They have modified only the token efficiency and the thinking capability. We rigorously evaluate the resulting checkpoint across the general reasoning, non-reasoning, multiple choice question answering, everyday multi-turn conversations, system prompt adherence, safety, math, code, agentic use cases. Due to high variability of reasoning quality at Qwen recommended sampling temperature 1.0. And if you go to this Qwen 3.6 27 billion model, here you see they compare this model with the Claude 4.5 Opus, and we all know Claude 4.5 Opus also very great model, and they actually are providing the same kind of capability as a open source model. So that's why people are actually interested with this Qwen 3.6 27 billion, because most of the tasks you can easily do with this grade 27 billion. Now if you want to try this model, you can go to this LM Studio and you can search it. And as it is a 27 billion model, so you need high space, or you can say VRAM, to test it. I don't have that much space inside my laptop because my laptop is only 16 GB RAM. And if you have any enough space inside your machine, then you can try it, and to let me know that what kind of experience you are facing with this model thinking cap Qwen 3.6 27 billion. Okay, and if you want to get this kind of latest AI related videos daily, don't forget to subscribe this channel, don't forget to like this video. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, take care.